Hello friends and guardians. In this video, we will show you how to scan your fingerprints using talcum powder. Now, as per requirement, you need to take some talcum powder on a plain paper. Then you need to mark all 10 fingers. Now, as each of our finger has 3 parts, and among these 3 parts, we will label on middle part of the finger. If you are starting from left hand, you need to start from thumb to little fingers as L1, L2, L3, L4 and L5. Where L1 is your thumb, L2 is your index finger, L3 is your middle finger, L4 is your ring finger and L5 is your little finger. Similarly, you will label right hand fingers as R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5. In next step, you need to apply 2 layers of talcum powder on upper part of the finger with the help of other hand. Then you need to remove the extra powder from the fingers. Make sure you cover all 3 sides of fingers with proper application of talcum powder. Now I will tell you how to take images of fingerprints. You need to click 3 images of each and every finger, that is center, left and right. Now first of all, you need to take front or center image of your finger and focus on the finger to get clear images where you will be able to see lines which are technically known as ridges. Now try to focus your finger in such an angle where you will be able to see the left center face in a single image. And make sure you are getting a clear image of this. Similarly, you will click one image where you will be able to capture the right center angle of finger. And make sure each and every image should be captured with their labels. To complete this process, you can always take help of others. When you are taking the picture, you will be able to see the center of the ridges, which is known as core. And if you check on left or right side of your finger, you will be able to see a Y junction which is called as delta. Also make sure you must capture delta and core in a single image so that you can count ridges from delta to core easily. In some fingerprints, you will get deltas on both the sides, that is left and right. In such case, capture the images from both the sides. For your reference, we have displayed on screen the image of core and delta, and this is how it looks. To capture the images more clear and crisp, you may install one application from Google Play Store and you need to type magnifying glass app with flashlight in the tab. Now you need to select the application, you need to install it and then open it for further use. Now apply some talcum powder on your finger and label it properly. Now capture the image.
So this is how you will be able to get a clear image. By following this video, you or your clients will be able to scan fingerprints at their own. Thank you so much.